Hi, I'm Tom Doorley and I'm here at the McNeela studios to review the SI Series 17-hole sterling silver flute in the key of C with a B foot joint. Yes, it's a beautiful flute and it's really well balanced and weighted. I enjoy playing this flute as it is so responsive to opening up, allowing the player to achieve a beautiful range of colours and rich tone and hollow tone alike. It's very well balanced between the lower register and a very easy third register too. One of the hallmarks of all flute playing, the flute in general is an easy instrument, but to produce a rich low tone on the flute is very difficult, and equally a high sweet tone on the third register, very difficult indeed. But this flute certainly allows the player to do this. The keys and the mechanism on the bone system here, very responsive. So I don't have to be flapping my fingers around, really pressing down mechanisms like some flutes. They're already ready to go. This is great for technique and ease of playing. This is a French open hole system, one that I prefer myself, as it's very like the simple system in the sense that you can feel the open holes. Now these ones are plugged with rubber, which are easy to pop out. But I like this. Why? It vents the holes a little bit better. It does brighten up some of the notes. And I like the feel of it too. It's a more organic feel to it. The French open system here is very like the simple system. You can really embed the fingers in. One of the notes on the Bohm system which suffers just because of the physics of the flute is the E, the high E third register. And because of the split E mechanism here, that allows the player to easily access the E without that extra little effort or push needed to hit the E. So let's have a try and see how she responds. I'll play the chromatic scale up into the third register, and I'll play it with a sort of a medium rich tone. And as I come down, maybe I'll go down towards the lower B joint to show the fullness and the possibility of attaining that rich sound. Yeah, very nice, really well balanced, and really enjoyable to go down to the low B. It's great, and there's a good few pieces in the repertoire that does this, but even for traditional music, it's a very handy note to have, especially if you're playing tunes that go below the usual D of the register on the flute on the simple system. Absolutely love the material that this is made out of. It responds and resonates in a different way, and it's because it's made of pure sterling silver. While it does have to be looked after and polished, it really, really does add to the tone. It gives a different resonance and a different feel to it altogether, which I absolutely love. Going back to the mechanism here and how responsive it is too, I'll play a few bars of the Bach B minor Bardinery just to give you a listen to how bright the sound can be and how responsive the mechanism is. Yeah, very responsive indeed. Really enjoy that crispness. To bring out the other tones in this, looking for a piece of music, I'll try Henry Mancini's The Pink Panther, just to explore those tones and different styles. Yeah, it sings out very nicely. And again, the lower register really resonates well, which makes it really good for playing traditional music. And So why don't I play a tune? This is a slip jig. Here we can see how well the mechanism works as well, and I'll be using some of the trill keys here to play sort of advanced ornaments on it. Again, for traditional music, they tone, there's a shift in tone here. I'm using more of a fixed shape. A really wonderful flute, very difficult to put it down. I just love to play this. And this will see you through any session, be it during the summer at a fleadh or in a pub in the dark months of winter by a fire with a pint and a few friends to play tunes with.